Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video we are going to unbox the Redmi 13C mobile phone. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the Redmi 13C. On the front you have this red color Redmi 13C 6.74-inch display, and it's a 90Hz fluid visual display, meaning that you have 90Hz. On the side of the box, again 90Hz display, 50 megapixel AI triple camera setup, Redmi 13C. On the top there's nothing. On the side it has a octa-core processor and a 5000 mAh battery, and if you're buying in Pakistan then it is PTA approved if it has this sticker. And on the bottom we have its specification. Redmi 13C midnight black, so this is the midnight black color. It has 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. It also comes in a 4GB RAM variant and as well, and these are the box contents that we are going to see right now. So let's unbox it. Here is the Redmi 13C in a midnight black color, smooth 6.74-inch display, 50 megapixel AI camera, powerful octa-core processor, 5000 mAh battery, and it supports 18-watt fast charging, which is quite cool. Here is the Redmi 13C with the 6.74-inch 90Hz display. The selfie camera is 8 megapixel, while we have the main 50 megapixel camera and some other cameras as well. Your flash, as you can see here we have this matte black finish, as you can see Redmi, and here we have the sticker which has the IMEI number. And overall the build quality is okay. It has a boxy feel which I really like that we see in the iPhones. I don't know that this is metal, I think this is more of a plastic body. On the side we have the power button, which is also your fingerprint sensor, your volume up and down keys, as you can see. On the other side you have the tray for your dual SIMs and a dedicated SD card slot. Here there is nothing. On the bottom we have a mic, a USB type C port, your speakers, and on the top you have your 3.5mm headphone jack. So for the ports everything is okay, and here on the front you have the top earpiece as well. So let me just power it on. Me powered by Android. So let's see what's else in the box. Some paperwork, SIM ejection tool. Here you have your charger. And the output is 5 volt 2 amperes up to 10 watts, so I don't think this is a fast charger. Here you have your USB A to type C cable, which is quite cool, and other than that the box is empty. Here the phone has powered on, MUI 14. Here is the Redmi 13C with the 6.74-inch 90Hz display, and the display is quite smooth because of the 90Hz, and if you are into gaming then that's going to be beneficial. Let me just show you the camera quickly as well. Here is the back camera. I don't know how much you can see, but it's pretty good. And here is the 8 megapixel selfie camera. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of the Redmi 13C. If you guys like this unboxing video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and I will be making a speed test between the 13C and the 12C. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.